$64. That's not it. Hey dolls, it's your girl Karen and I'm back with a new video. Now, if you are new here, this is a place where we thrift, we save money, we look fashionably chic while doing it. Now, if this is something that you are into, please do not hesitate to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so every time Karen posts a video, it will let you know, and then you can go over there and check it out, girl. So first, let me tell you, Walmart has been having these Black Friday deals early, and I took advantage of it, and I went and got me some headphones by Beats. Now, I've been wanting some Beats for a really long time. So I went on the website because I'm always like, Walmart does not know how hard I go for them. I do. I go hard for Walmart, and I want Walmart to know that. But I go hard for Walmart, and I saw that they had the Beats on sale, and I really have been working out lately, and I'm like, there's something missing. So what's missing is the headphones. You know how the little young girls, they be at the gym with their little headphones, their little body yaddy yaddies. So I'm like, okay, I want to be that girl. So I went and bought me some Beats, girl. So I'm going to take a look at them. So before we get into my haul, let me show you all the goodness that I found in Walmart this day. Now, this is so cute. I love this dress, but it also comes with a jacket. Now, you can wear it separate or you can wear it together, but I love this combination. This was really cute, and it also comes in black. How adorable is that? Now, I have been seeing this jean blazer, but every time I come to a Walmart, they never have my size. They always have the smallest size. Now, you know, I'm also a sucker for a body like con dress. This is like a knit sweater. I love this green color, and it's a maxi. Super cute. I love this jacket. But I tried it on. It was not me. It comes in green and it comes in this navy. Now, I do have these jeans already, and they're super cute, and they're perfect for a cute, comfortable look. But I'm not a red girl, but I'm loving this red. I don't know about you, but I'm loving all the red that's coming out. How cute is this? I love this skirt. It is nice. Now, I heard they had a top to this, so I'm going to be on a search for that. Super cute. And I love that dress too. That little dress there. I love that. But this is their scoop section. Usually it gives. I don't know what's going on right now, but this side don't. But that other side gives. I don't know what's going on with this side. But this black jacket, I did purchase this Sherilyn black jacket, and it is so warm, guys. So warm. I will link everything in my Walmart storefront, so go check it out. Now I am over here in clearance. And you know, I got to find me something in clearance because that's my thing. That's what I do. So let me search and see if I can find anything. But they had a lot of clearance, as you can see. So I'm showing you racks and racks of clearance. But everything over here is clearance. So let's check it out. They have these cute little like moto jackets. Super cute. They're cropped. I don't know what type of material this is, but it comes in this color. And look, it's only $13. And it also comes in this black. It almost looks like a, I can't think of it.
Oh my God, don't kill me. Now, here are some more jackets. This is like that faux leather jacket by Scoop. And remember, it came in like this burgundy or wine color as well. But this is the crop one or the shorter version. Super cute. Then, ooh, look. Oh my goodness. It's that faux leather blazer. Super cute. It's by Sofia Vergara. This is super cute. And they have two of them. I can't believe it. Now, I love this free assembly jean jacket, but it was not my size. And I was so upset. And I remember when they had these two as well. The cropped trench like looking coats. That was cute too. And then look, oh my goodness, the skirt I wanted, it's on sale. I can't believe it. And they have the brown, but they also have the gray too. So I think I'm going to get both. They did not have my size. Look how cute. And look at the price. Oh my goodness. Put it in the cart, but I can't because it's not my size. Hey dolls. I am doing my infamous Walmart early 6 a.m. run. Now, I have been here already since 6 o'clock. I got here like 6:07. I forgot to record my intro, so here it is. Now, I had to take some things back, which was cool. And then I saw a few items, a lot of items that were on clearance. So I will drop them in my Walmart creator storefront. So go over there and shop. And if you don't see something in my creator storefront that you were looking at that I had on, please just drop in a comment and let me know, and I will send over the link to you. No problem. I spent $67. My whole total came up to $185. I had a couple of gift cards that I didn't use. I took some things back, and matter of fact, it was like $61.43 to be exact. That's how much I spent for all the things that I had. I got some pillows, some clothing, and then a lot of stuff for the house, so y'all need to see that. But yeah, that was really fun. And guess what? It is what, 6? I don't even know what time it is. I don't have my watch on. And that's all my trash. It is 7:36 and I am on my way back home. I have some content to create. I'm always late doing these damn brand deals, but I have like a couple. I have like 4 or 5 because I had all these boxes when I came to work. Because I get things delivered to the salon, and I had like a lot of things that I need to make videos for. So, oh my God. So I'm going home, getting to that. I don't have a client till later on, so I'm able to, create some content early and go to work today. Handle that. I forgot I was supposed to cook dinner too while I was doing that, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. I'm just have to order my husband something, or I don't know, something. I wanted to make veggie lasagna today. But anyway, I don't want to bore y'all with my life. So I'm headed home to make some content and yeah, enjoy the video. Bye. Oh, I got the pink. I forgot I got the pink ones. I'm gonna be so cute at the gym.
So also, Walmart has been having big sales on all of their clothing, and that is a part of the early Black Friday deals as well. Now, when they come out with a big Black Friday sale, I will inform you, let you know, and I will drop everything over in my Walmart store. Now, let's start. These are the things that I purchased. Now, the first thing I got, and I got it on sale, it was $22.50. This Scoop blazer, super cute, right? I love the color. It's in the trending wine, maroon, whatever you want to call it. It's in that trending color. and I absolutely love it. They only had an extra large left. So I did get the extra large because I felt like if I didn't get it, that I wouldn't have another chance to get it. Um, because a lot of things that I don't know if you noticed, but if you go on Walmart.com and you try to purchase some things, it's always out of stock. But when I go in the store, they have plenty full. So I'm not saying don't shop online, but if you don't see it, if you shop online and you don't see it, I suggest you go in the store because they be having it. So the next item that I picked up was this beautiful pearl beaded knit dress by Free Assembly. This, when I tell you it is gorgeous, it is gorgeous. When I tried her on, I'm like, oh my God. She was so super cute. And I already knew how I was going to style it. Um, I styled it with a leopard print bow tie, which I made myself. And if you have not seen that video, I will link it down. I want you to go over. It's a very simple hack. It's so easy. You're gonna be like, oh my God. And then you could still keep the barrette. So if you want to put the barrette like in your hair or somewhere or something like that as well, you can do that as well. But she was not on sale. I got this regular price. She was $32, which is still not a bad price. And you can do so many things with her. And I feel like you can take her over into spring and summer. So she's a good $32 spent. The next two items, I know y'all told me, girl, why did you get that outfit? Like I told y'all, I was shopping in Walmart and I seen the gray and the brown two-piece set by Steven. What is it? Madden NYC. And I didn't get it because I was like, oh, it's a junior size. And I know sometimes, those sizes when you're a grown woman don't fit you like they fit the younger people. So I was like, oh, I'm stay away. But when I seen these on sale for $5, and the top was on sale for $5. So not only did I get the brown girl, I got the gray too. So super cute. I got a large. So we hoping for the best. Okay. We hoping for the best because I don't know how it's gonna fit. Also, I got this. Look at this sweater. Like, look at this bow. Now y'all already know I am a sucker for a bow. I tell you this all the time. Anything with a bow on it and it shines or it's a leopard print, Karen is putting her hands on it and she grabbing it. But this is shiny and it's a bow. But it's in this pretty color. It also came, I think, in red. And the red was popping too, girl. The red was good. But I just thought this was so elegant and so chic, and I could do so much with it. And holiday time is coming, so I'm preparing my wardrobe for the holidays because I know I'm being some holiday parties. I might want to wear this on Christmas or the Thanksgiving. Who knows? Like, but I'm gonna be cute though. So the next item I grabbed was this denim. It's like a green denim by Free Assembly. It's a dress. I've been eyeing this dress forever and I just didn't pick it up. But when I seen it was on sale for $10, I picked her up and I thought it was super cute. The denim is very heavy. It has like these green um silver has these silver buttons and they had them in a dark denim and they had it in this green. So I don't have anything like this. So I thought I would get the green and it's like a line constructed. So if you are a hippie girl, it will be perfect for you because it will, if you have hips, it goes out in the A line and it's perfect for you and it will look great. And she was only $10. Can you believe that? The next item I picked up was this navy pleated dress by Free Assembly. She is super cute. I got this in a large. It ties, has a belt at the waist. It's pleated. It's kind of mini. It comes to the knee a little bit, but keep in mind, I am a tall girl. I'm 5'8". I am 160 pounds. So I got a large because a lot of you do think that I can fit a small or medium, but girl, I don't know what you see, but I cannot. So I have to get the large. But I love the navy blue, and I can wear this to church. I can wear this to a family function. I can do my little hacks that I love, putting little bow ties up the front. I can wear her with heels, boots. I don't think I'm gonna pair her with the sneak, but maybe a loafer, maybe. Um, but a super cute find, and I believe this was $10. It was $10 or $7. Um, I believe 7. It was $7. $7. So the next item I picked up were these wide leg corduroy pants. They're from Celebrity Pink, I believe. They were $10. But one of my subbies, she said she got them for $3. Now I didn't get it for $3, where I got them for 10. But you were good getting it for $3. But these are super cute. And I'm just mad because I just thrifted something like this for one of my videos, and I think I paid like $7 for the pants, but they're more like velvet. So, but this is more like a corduroy, so that's true. But I am attracted to, and then look at this, it has a cute little heart, so cute for a button. That's what got me, and I love the wine color, and it was corduroy, so. I don't have anything corduroy. I haven't worn corduroy since I was a kid. So I thought I'd try it out, and it's so cute. And I bought this cute little sweater that I thought that would look cute with it. Sorry, it fell on the floor. Um, so I thought that this sweater would look so cute with this together. Like, so, and I had those remember those wine shoes, patent leather shoes I thrifted? Perfect for this whole outfit. Okay, so that is it. I just did a small little haul. I showed you what I got from the Black Friday show, my beats, and also you were able to shop with me and you saw what I saw. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, like the video, comment if you like, and just want to say thank you for all the support and everything. And holidays is coming up, and I'm so excited about the holidays. Like I cannot wait to put my Christmas stuff up. And Thanksgiving is right around the corner, so I just want to say thank you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.